young brothers find their mother at death's door. Before long, she is dead, and the boys are driven to bring her back from the grave with the power of alchemy. Alphonse and Edward thought there was nothing left they could lose. They were wrong. Full Metal Alchemist, every Saturday at midnight.
Listen, Susan, some of the other mothers and I are a little concerned about the thing around your head. I don't mean to pry.
No, I understand. Lately, I've been wanting better internet. So the other day, I moved to Earthlink.
Oh, it's just, it seems dangerous, Susan.
Oh, Pam, no. Right now, I'm getting a great deal on an Earthlink account with free security tools like Virus Blocker, Spyware Blocker, and Scam Blocker. Do you know about identity theft, Pam? Earthlink's not dangerous, you silly. And this isn't real. It's an Earthlink marketing device. It's a mnemonic.
Oh.
More speed, more security, more control. That's Earthlink High Speed. Get the first 3 months of high speed for just $19.95 a month. Call 800-941-3461 or visit these retailers. Earthlink revolves around you.
You'll never forget the people you hurt when you were high.
That's the kind of park Larry built. What kind will you build? Give it a try with Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, where you can run your own sick amusement park right into the ground if you want. It's one wild ride you can't get off. Roller Coaster Tycoon 3. Rated E for everyone.
Rated T for teen.
Super strength. Super speed. Invisibility. Elasticity. These are your powers. Bombs, bullets, robots, lasers. Your enemy controls them all. The only way to survive being the Incredibles is to truly be incredible. Disney presents a Pixar film, The Incredibles video game. Available now.
All right, gang, let's get this thing started, huh? All right, here we go. Hey, what's the story? Is this mic on? Hey, testing 1, 2, 8, 10. Good. Sea-Lab, One Nation, underwater. Play that back. I want to hear it now.